Hello, everybody. I'm here to say that I've registered for DiSHA 2025, and I think I'm one of the early registrations because I registered as soon as it came in my email because I was so excited with the kind of events that are lined up. It is our own Pune Deccan chapters event, and I'm a member, being a member of this event and attending all the conferences. I'm very sure that this is going to be very informative, value adding, and I'm super excited already about. So, what about you? Have you registered?